What's up, bros? Today we are cracking these two hanger boxes of 1819 Panini Threads Basketball. So we start with Pascal Siakam, in my opinion the most improved player in the NBA this year. Rodney McGregor, like, who is this guy? Andrew Wiggins, the least improved player in the NBA this year. A nice photo of LeBron, like crashing San Antonio with a dunk. Like, what surprises me, that if I remember correctly, LeBron never signed up for a dunk contest, which is a little bit strange. Domantas Sabonis, the son of long-term Trailblazers legend Arvydas Sabonis and Jonathan Isaac. So they have this type of parallel in threads like for many years. I think it's called Dazzle or something like that. Zach LaVine. And yeah, unfortunately this year these jersey cards are not a die cut. I really dig like these die cut cards in die cut cards in threads like in past years, but unfortunately not this year. Jerry Smith and Century Collection of Hakeem Olajuwon, bringing down the house of Rudy Gobert. Freedom. Yeah, it's a funny name for an insert set of Chris Middleton. And Joel Embiid bringing down the house. Yeah, so currently Joel Embiid is bringing down Philadelphia's team against Toronto. And Jeremy Lamb, CJ McCollum. Yeah, great three-pointer against Oklahoma City Thunder in Game 5 in the first round of 18-19. Playoffs, Devin Booker. His I think women put the legs like that when they want to attract the attention of men. Andre Drummond. Yeah, so these hanger boxes are $9.99 plus tax, but I got mine for $8.50 on eBay. Pretty lame because I think they don't guarantee anything. I mean, no hits. Vince Carter. Yeah, love Vince Carter. Hope he will stay in the league. Josh Okogie and Wendell Carter Jr. of Chicago Bulls. Desert Parallel. Oh, a nice card of Kobe Bryant. Unfortunately, not die cut. Kyrie Irving. Next wave of Grayson Allen. Century Collection of Magic, who is failing as a Lakers GM. Brandon Ingram. Chris Middleton. Victor Oladipo, like his injury essentially ruined Indiana's chance for a deep playoff run, and LaMarcus Aldridge. What amazes me is how Greg Popovich is able to build such a competitive team when his best player is LaMarcus Aldridge. So yeah, overall this break is $17 down the drain. I don't know what is the best card, probably this Kobe card, but yeah, it's very, very brutal.